Looking for the best internet that won't hurt your wallet? Our expert team researched and ranked our favorites, and we gathered ratings and reviews from customers to bring you the best options. I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's talk about it. We compiled a list of 4 internet service providers that we believe offer speed and affordability. We've made our decisions based on equipment rental, introductory pricing and fees, contracts, and other terms. In 4th place, we have WOW. WOW offers a range of affordable cable internet plans. Their fastest plan is about 1.2 gigabits per second and costs about $100 per month, while their slowest plan sits at about 50 megabits per second at around $20 a month. These plans give you a lot of options for your budget. WOW also offers promotional prices for around $10 a month for your first year, which is the cheapest option that you can get. There's also auto-pay discounts that could save you a total of $20 to $40 per month. Contracts aren't usually required, but might be used depending on your location. If you do have a contract, you'll have early termination fees if you choose to cancel your contract early. Some areas have unlimited data, while others have data caps. We rate WOW 3.5 stars, while customers rank it 4 stars. Continuing down the list, we have Xfinity. Xfinity offers 2 inexpensive cable internet plans with download speeds between 50 megabits per second and 100 megabits per second. Now, not as fast as some of their fiber plans, but Xfinity has wide availability and does offer some cheap introductory pricing. While pricing depends on your location, a 1-year contract is required to receive the lowest price. After 1 year, you might see some price hikes. However, you can always call your ISP to try and renegotiate. We rank Xfinity 3.8 stars, while customers rank it 4.2 stars. Next on the list is Verizon Fios. With Verizon Fios, all plans are fiber, which is great. You can get a no-contract plan for about $50 a month. You'll receive fast speeds of up to 300 megabits per second, unlimited data, and a router included. On top of that, if you bundle your Verizon Fios mobile and internet plans, your cost can go down by around $25 per month. Your monthly price is guaranteed to stay the same for the next 2 years. You can get installation fees waived if you order online and no early termination fees. We rank Verizon Fios 4.2 stars, while customers rank it 4.3 stars. On top of our list is Frontier. With Frontier, you'll get a solid option for fiber with unlimited data and no contract required. You can receive fiber plans of up to 500 megabits per second for around $50 a month. Since this is a fiber connection, your upload and download speeds will be the same. With these speeds, you'll have no problem streaming, having video calls, gaming, or working from home. Prices will be locked in place for about 12 months, which is a shorter time period than Verizon Fios, but you'll get speeds about 200 megabits per second faster with Frontier. With the fiber options, speeds, and pricing, the value is undeniable. We rate Frontier 4.1 stars, while customers rank it 3.8 stars. So there you have it, our top 4 choices for affordable and fast internet service providers. So what are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments. It's important to note that some of these providers might not be available in your area. If that's the case, you can find which providers are in your area by visiting our website, switchful.com. We'll see you next time.